So here we are with the JGMaker. This is the A5S, same as the JGAurora A5S. This is the upgraded version. So we're gonna swap out that blue filament for, obviously we're not printing anything, we don't have anything going on. We're gonna go to the heat screen. Actually, I think we could do all this from the extrude screen. Nope. So we're gonna go to the heat screen, make sure it says extrude. We're gonna go to 10 degrees Celsius at a time and let it warm up. So that's gonna be our very first step. So as this is warming up, we're just gonna kind of hang out for a second. As you can see, it doesn't really take very long at all. So we're gonna wait for this to warm up to 200 degrees and then we're gonna take it from there. So here we are, just a few seconds later, 10-15 seconds later. Doesn't really take that long to heat up. So we're at about 200 degrees. So what we're gonna do back here at this head right here, this little spring-loaded piece actually squeezes to be able to unload the tension. And here we go. So we're gonna squeeze this and pull this guy out. So to keep this from getting too out of control here, so we wound this up and see if we can get a good shot of this. So we wound this up, that's gonna go through one hole in the spool there, and that's another piece right there of the spool. So just in and out, that'll keep it in place. And then we're gonna get our trusty little nippers and just give that a little snip. So that's it for the old filament. Put that away. Now we're gonna get out our green filament that we're gonna be working with. We'll set that right there and just pull this right out. So as we do, obviously they had a vacuum pack, so it kind of broke the filament right there. Not a huge issue. We're just gonna take that piece and just snip it right off. And so what we'll do here, we're just gonna feed it through the bottom, up to the top. You'll see where it pokes out right there. Same little operation where we squeeze that and feed it through. So let me set this camera back up and see if we can get a good shot of that. So squeeze this, push it up, you'll hit resistance pretty much right away. So here's what we got. So obviously there's some filament coming out of the extruder head right there. Mine needs to be cleaned, sorry for that. Now while we still have the heat going, we're gonna go back, go to extrude, and we'll keep it at 1 millimeter at a time right here. Slow setting is fine, and we'll just hit in. And as we do, you'll see the filament coming out. So we're gonna hit that a couple of times until all of our old blue filament is out and we start getting green filament. So we can kind of see it starting to change colors there. One little note, these little cutters, I'll link to them in the description. I feel like these might be one of these must-haves. Great for snipping filament, cleaning up support off of some of the prints, stuff like that. Very sharp, very handy, nice precision cutter. So get yourself a pair of these, keep it in your drawer with all your tools, and we'll see you for the next video.